Hey guys, so today we have the Plouise October budget box. Now I know that this is a little bit late, but hear me out a little bit because so this is the October budget box, but it doesn't get shipped out till November. And then this month I've been doing my advent calendar unboxing, so that's why this is a little bit late. But anyway, here is nonetheless, we're going to get into it. And this one is actually so great. And the best thing about this is that all of this stuff I've already ordered. So everything in this box will be going into a giveaway. Alright, so the first thing we have here is the You Give Me Butterflies palette. This is the Moonlit Meadow palette, and it looks like this. It is absolutely stunning. This is from their new collection. It's the AM to PM collection. So once again, that's just the palette there, like, oh, so pretty. And I just cannot, like, I just think this palette is one of the prettiest things that I've ever seen. It's obviously like very monochrome, like has all of the same colours, but like, look at this shade here. Like, oh, I'm so excited. So I'm going to be doing like a whole collection review. That'll be coming in the new year because there is like so many different palettes and stuff. And a lot of different products in that collection. So we'll be getting into that later, like coming in the new year. But that was the first thing that we got in this budget box. The next thing that we got was the Finishing Touch All Over Body Glow. This one is in Fairy Wings. So that is the packaging there. When we open up, oh, it's absolutely stunning. And mind you, I love the little bottle of this. I just think this is so pretty. So that's how it looks there. We've got this beautiful cap. It is in a glass bottle, and that's how it looks there. It's just like purple, green, silver, like just all these beautiful colours. And then, yeah, obviously it's like an all over body glow. Let me just pump some out. Rub it into the hand so you can see how it looks. It doesn't have a smell, but so that's how it looks there. Like, it's just super reflective, and you can really see like all of those colours like in the different light. I don't know if you'll be able to see it on camera, but like when I'm moving my hand I can see like pink and then like reflex of like green and then like the silver sparkle. I don't know if it's going to show up on camera or not, but yeah, it's not tacky or anything either. So yeah, that's really nice. So that was the second product that we got in our October budget box. So yeah, I'm waiting on the November one at the moment. It's been in London since the 8th of December, and I'm filming this on the 23rd, so I'm not going to get it before Christmas, but that's fine. And then the next thing that we have is the I Believe in the Bristles brush set. So it looks like this. It's absolutely stunning. When we open it up, it's just like a little book. It's just so beautiful. On the back it says, getting glam takes a few ingredients and just a pinch of trust. Believing in the bristles before you. Fluffy fibres are a must. With every sweep and stipple, with every pattern blend, a look forms before you, trusting the process, perfected in the end. Remember that it's not just your makeup that helps you look your best. An artist is only as good as their tools, so put your brushes to the test. Whether you try out new techniques or stick with your signature style, whatever direction you choose to follow, be guided by your smile. Because remember that happiness ain't always about following the crowd. Gotta stay true to what works for you and speak your truth aloud. So dust over some destiny, tap on a touch of love, a look to suit your inside and out that fits just like a glove. So cute. I just think it's like, I just love all the detail that they put into their packaging. Then we have so many brushes, like so many brushes. How many is there? I think there's 17. Maybe even more. I feel like I might have counted wrong. Yeah, I think maybe it's like a 20-piece brush set. But yeah, so those are the things that we got in this month's, well, October's budget box. I'm so sad because I missed out on January's or December's. Yeah, December's budget box because I didn't get it in time and then it was sold out. So I'm really, really upset about that, but I'm going to try and make sure that we don't miss any more. But let's have a quick look at the retail value of this. So I paid about $80 because the box itself is $59, I think, and then the shipping on top of that. But let's have a quick look. These palettes, the little, oh my god, I've lost it. No, I didn't. Over here. This little palette here is worth $33. The bleed, yeah, so it's a 20-piece brush set. So this is worth $382, but it's on sale on the website for 86 bucks. But even the on sale price is like more than what this box cost. So you've already got your value there. And then the all over body glow. Oh, they don't have them on here. Let me find it. So these are $29. So what's that? What do we have? $29.86. So this box was worth 148 bucks. I just feel like that Tilly's out there rolling around in the grass. She's so funny. I love her. What you doing? Anyway, I just feel like that is like just such amazing value. But as always from Plouise, I don't expect any less. They just always come through. So yeah, that was October's budget box. I'm really looking forward to November's. I think we have some little Christmassy things in there. Very sad that I didn't get December's, but that is fine. I'm actually gonna try and become a subscriber to it so that like I get them every month. I reckon that's what I'm gonna do. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.